Yo guys, welcome to our video today again. My name is Vincent in the channel Nazvin. Kindly if you have not subscribed to Nazvin, please subscribe, you are missing a lot. Today we are going to talk about a very common term which is used in the online community. It's not per se medical today, but I'm going to talk about what we call trend. So I'm going to talk about top 10 trends in the world today. And when I talk about top 10 of the trends today, I don't have the really time data now because everything changes in a second on the trending part of it. But when we talk about the trends, we are talking about the most interests or where most of the people are interested in the world today. So while I don't have to access the really time data, I can provide you with some general categories of health topics and often trend or garner significant interest of a larger population of people. Number one is what came up in 2020, what we call COVID-19 pandemic updates. So updates on COVID-19 pandemic, including vaccination efforts, new variants, public health measures, and research developments continue to be of high interest globally. So even if this COVID thing has been curbed in a way, there is also a lot which has changed because this is a thing which came up when most of the healthcare sector was not prepared for it, and it really changed the way the world operates today and continues to operate because we've never had a pandemic for a long time which affected the whole world like the COVID-19 did. So when we talk about COVID-19, is the number one trend topic and also topic trend which is really researched on number one in the world. Number two, we talk about mental health awareness. So discussions around mental health, including anxiety, depression, stress management and self-care techniques have gained prominence, particularly due to the impact of the pandemic on mental well-being. So we've had a lot of cases of mental health coming up all over the world because of the changes. And since 2020, we've had a highly significant numbers of population affected by the mental health because of the kind of changes which the COVID-19 brought up, and also because of the change of the world, because of the inflation, and also the change of the economics of the current financial status and the capital markets. For now, we have those kind of changes. So we also have number two as a mental health awareness being a very important topic, which is researched on at this particular moment in matters also medical. Number three, we have nutrition and diet. So topics related to eating, things related to nutrition trends, things related to weight management especially, and the specific dieties such as keto vegan. I don't know if you have heard of keto vegan. When I talk about keto, I mean Keto, and vegan is VEGAN. So also what we call intermittent fasting. I don't know if that has come to your country. Let me know from the comments if you have heard of keto vegan or that intermittent fasting as a form of nutrition and diet discussions in your world. But it is number three, one of the most researched on and looked upon topic in the current trends of the world. And they are consistently becoming popular among individuals seeking to improve their overall health and well-being at that particular point. Number four is about fitness and exercise. Exercise routines, workout trends, fitness challenges, and the tips for staying active are perennially popular topics, especially as people seek ways to maintain or improve their physical fitness levels. So the fitness and exercise things are also trends which are coming up, because now people are being sensitized on the importance of the exercise with their health. People are more concerned on their health, and exercise is one of the topics which is really being discussed at this particular point in our world. Also, another very important topic which is discussed about is about sleep health, the importance of good sleep hygiene, strategies for improving sleep quality, and discussions around sleep disorders such as the insomnia or sleep apnea continue to attract a lot of attention, and also given the impact of sleep in the overall health. So sleep is also one of the researched. That's why we hear how many hours now people should sleep. What are the impacts of not sleeping? We see a lot of those trends also currently running in our world. Also, mental wellness is also one of the topics. Beyond mental illness, we talk about mental wellness. There is growing focus on mental wellness, that is including mindfulness, meditation, relaxation techniques, practices practice for promoting emotional resilience and also well-being. So we have a lot of discussions nowadays of yoga and meditation, which is very common in the Asian world, but now it is becoming all over the world. People are copying from there and also learning a lot about meditation and its importance in their mental well-being. Also, number 7 on the most trending topic in this world now being discussed is about the chronic diseases. And when we talk about chronic diseases, we have diseases which are discussions around chronic diseases like diabetes, like heart diseases. We have cancer, especially, is now very common, and also autoimmune conditions remain relevant with a focus on prevention, management, and also treatment advancement and lifestyle interventions. So these are also chronic illnesses are very great topic. Like here in Africa, cancer now is a very trending topic because it's affecting a lot of population. And if you are not affected, it is if you are not having the condition, you are affected. Maybe you have one of your family, or you have lost one of your family because of this, or you are suffering from this cancer thing. And also, it's a great topic which has attracted a lot of attention in our current world. Number 8, I've not forgotten about the ladies. It's about women's health. Topics related to women's health, including reproductive health, menstrual health, menopause, breast health, and access of healthcare services are important of discussion and also for advocacy for our women. So women's health is a very serious also topic and a trending topic. It's a number 8 according to my research today. So matters menstrual health, about the menopause, about breast health, and also access to healthcare services. And I think the ladies are doing very well in this because of the research and the interest it has really elicited. And we have a lot of advocacy for it, and also to improve the ladies' health. So number 9, I have about what you call telehealth, and also what you call digital health. The rise of telemedicine nowadays. Now you can, I can get a call to the United States of America and talk with my doctor there to give me a diagnosis and also give me treatment. We also have applications on our phone, especially in our smartphones, where we can also get some information through the apps. And also we have wearable devices which can monitor our, where your doctor can monitor what is really happening in real time with the patient while the doctor is away or the healthcare provider is away. So health technology and the innovations, they continue to shape discussions around the healthcare and access. So patient empowerment and remote monitoring is now becoming the talk of the day, and it is eliciting a lot of discussions, whether it is good to always be hands-on with your patients, or you can monitor your patient from another place, or those technology which coming up where a patient is put on some machine which the healthcare provider can monitor from somewhere else or communicate with the healthcare provider somewhere else. Now we also have a lot of devices coming up with the kind of technology we have, where now we can you can be in another country or in another continent, but still be attended well with your doctor from the other side or with the healthcare provider. Number 10 is about health equity and the social determinants of health. And when we talk about health equity and social determinants of health, conversations around health disparities, especially here in Africa, we talk about we don't have that equity of healthcare, especially you get that in the cities there is more of good or better healthcare than in the interior part of the countries. So there's discussions going on over the same. And when we talk about equity, we talk also about healthcare access. Do people access that healthcare which is already available and utilize it? And how are the socio-economic activities factors influencing the healthcare outcomes and the efforts to promote health equity? So these kind of topics are coming up and also very important on the equity and social determinants of health. We are the socio-economic factors of a country or of an individual affect the way that person gets that health. So these topics I've shared, the 10 of them, they are just a snapshot of the diverse range of health-related discussions that are prevalent in the society today. Depending on the current events, emerging research and public interest, other topics may also gain prominence over time. But for now, these are the most top 10 trends of topics discussed on matters health currently in the world. Guys, if you have any input, I welcome you to give it in the comment, and I want to welcome you to our next video. Thank you guys, and peace.